This is Pradeep, your host, your host and your host. So today we are just going to tell you that how you can fly a drone. So guys, this is not the first time that you will watch that, but I will tell you that how you can control or you can operate a drone from step by step. So I have the Mavic Pro 2, Mavic 2 Pro, and I have Mavic 2 Pro. I have the controller of this Mavic 2 Pro. Then I have the propellers of this. Then I have iPad. So why I need iPad? Because there's an app of Mavic 2 Pro which will just install and it's already installed in this iPad, and that's controlled by that applications. So you can control that from these applications and as well as from this remote control. This means the application will show you that where exactly is your drone, and then that where it is flying and how far it is. You can watch that on this remote, but I will show you that how it will be handled. So let's go outside and we will check. So first of all, let me just install the propellers here, and then I will just go outside and we will start with, first of all, just open these, you can say, what is this? Wings of this DJI, and wait. So, okay. So these are the hooks which will be just adjusted into this. It's not shifting yet. Now it's okay. Last one for this is this. Okay, I have set up the propellers, okay, and the wings, and and one more thing. My battery is already set up, and let me show you the app. Which app is used by DJI? Okay, so here we go, and you will open the app DJI. So here is the app that is for DJI Go 4. Okay, go and create. It means this is the app version, I think. Yes, and you need to just check that what I'm doing. Once you will just install this, you need to just plug in this USB into. Sorry, I was just finding out the. Just open this first, then open these handles, put these pins over there. These are the remote controls, like your joystick. It's kind of joystick, right? So it's a kind of joystick. Plug USB. Done. And I'm going to just put this here. Done. Okay. And how you will start the remote? Everything's like the DJI, this drone, and this controller is just on like this. Click, click. For a short click, then a long press. First single, simple press, then long press. Okay, so the same thing we will do with this drone. That first simple click, then long press. Simple press, then long press, and you will see that the gimbal is like checking, testing that everything is fine. Okay, so everything is connected. For connecting with for connecting with your iPad or like mobile, you need to install this app. But for like if you are just operating this through app, you need to just unplug this port. Right now it's all set to go. Android device, right? Mavic 2 Pro has been connected. Okay. Go and fly. Okay. Okay. So. So look that my application is ready and it's showing me the camera. I have just press this. It will just give you the safety tips and you have to read them and you'll say it's okay. Okay, so everything I'm just finding out, like, look, you are just seeing that camera is on. Now what I have to do is you can check this here. Wait. Okay, yeah. You can check this here, and I'm going to shut down Yeah. And look now how I can operate this. You have to just press these two buttons and like into the center, right? Into the center. You have to just take them.
Take
You
off.
have to just create a V. V for van. You have to create a V for van. Vertical.
The
So you
home
have
point
to
has
create
been
low battery warning.
updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, I think this is low battery. There's only one low battery, so it will show you that the battery is low because there's only one green point. And so let me replace the battery. Wait. Now the battery was like down, so battery level was low, so you have to press these buttons and put this battery up, right? It's out now. Press these buttons, put this inside, and the battery is all set to go. So same thing, the camera is off, and now I'm just clicking. Battery is on, and check. Oh, I think the battery is this battery is also down. Okay, let me check that what is the percentage of battery. The
The
battery is
home
only
point has been
35%.
updated. Please check it
I
on the
will give you
map.
a short right. Means I will just slide for short moment, not for like 5 or like for 3 minutes. Okay. So you have to create the V shape, and this is ready. Your drone is ready for takeoff, and you see the camera. And if you want to just record the video, you can just click from there. Like you just click on this click, and all the settings are here. Like what you want to check. This, okay, yes, and this. All the settings are here. Like you want to just record the video, just click on this, and the video just start recording. Right? You can just check if you want to just click the photo. Even you can use this button, this red button. You can use this for like clicking photo or like for creating videos. So another thing is that like there's most important. This is return to home button, and this is for like this is for recording and this is for photo, right? For clicking the photo. So if you just want to click single shot, then this button will be used, and if you want to record the video, then this button will be used. This is for like return to home button. This is for starting, and these are the extra buttons. So I'm just going to just pick this is lift this drone. So you have to press this little up. Look, this is working now. And look. And look, if you want to just means you want to just the camera face in front of you, just press this button to left, right? Now it's towards you. You can just return this like left, right. If you want to fly to right, just left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. You have to just fly this. Okay. So, and for you have to go left, left. You have to go right, right. You have to go back. This button will use for back. If you want to go front, forward, this button will use. If you want to come down, this is back. You have to want to come down. This button will use. Right. So this is like left movement, right movement, and it's work sensor because the sensors are working on this. You can see, you can check that the sensors are like doing, they are giving you signals. The alarm is like obstacle avoided, revised flight mode. So now I'm going to land this drone again. So you have to just press this button down and the drone will come down. Look, that's finished.